This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Jeff Davis. Construction is underway on this new home on large cul-de-sac lot in Heritage Oaks North. New floor plan with spacious 1,485 square feet living area. With a great room area open to the kitchen, foyer, and dining room accented with fireplace, and archways. Solid slab granite countertops throughout with wood laminate floors in living, dining, bedrooms, and kitchen areas. Tongue and groove wood ceilings on rear patio and front porch. Large master area with walk-in closet with his and her areas along with a large bath with double vanity, garden tub, and separate shower. Full-size walk-in laundry area with cabinets and clothes hanging area. Exterior features large patio, hardy plank siding and brick with exterior soffit lighting.